In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Find and Replace feature in Google Docs effectively. This powerful tool can save you a lot of time, especially if you're dealing with large documents and need to make quick, uniform changes. Let's jump right in and explore how you can use this feature to its fullest potential. First, open up your Google Docs document where you want to perform the Find and Replace operation. Once your document is open and you're ready to start, look to the top menu of your Google Docs interface. Locate and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, you will see the Find and Replace option. Go ahead and click that. Now you're presented with a dialog box that has a couple of fields and options. The first step here is to focus on the Find field. This is where you'll type the specific word or phrase you're looking to replace throughout your document. Take a moment to carefully type in this word or phrase, ensuring there are no typos as the search is case-sensitive and exact in its function. Just below the Find field, you will see Replace With. In this field, you will type the new word or phrase that you want to substitute in place of the word or phrase you've specified to find. Type this replacement carefully, double-checking for accuracy, because once it's replaced, that's what will show throughout your document. After filling in these fields, you'll see options like Replace All at the bottom of the dialog box. If your aim is to replace every instance of the word or phrase found in the document, click on Replace All. This action will apply your changes instantly to the entire document. It's a convenient feature if you need widespread changes, but make sure you're comfortable with the replacement as it affects every occurrence. And just like that, you'll notice that the words or phrases you targeted are now entirely replaced with your specified text throughout the document. This tool ensures consistency and saves a tremendous amount of time compared to manually making all these changes one by one. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to make significant edits using the Find and Replace feature in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment below if you have any other questions or tips to share, and subscribe to stay updated with more handy Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.